I'm here at Robert Schreeman State Park. I'm up above the overlook. It's probably one of my favorite trails that we have here in the Finger Lakes. Sirius and I hike this usually about once a month, doing the whole loop. And the Gorge Trail's finally open, so I came up the Rim Trail and I'll be heading back down the Gorge Trail, just checking out wildflowers. Sadly, I don't have Sirius with me today, but he'll be back out soon enough. So here's the view of the falls. Have a great day. Bye.